Barda updates for Kemans na endorsement nila Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco. Ayan, 6-6 mid-year sale, sale ng Kemans. Ito yung behind the scene ni Barbie. Ayan yung endorsement na Kemans.
It's 6-6 mid-year sale. Check out your favorite He-Man's products. Shop now.
Yan o. Kasi David naman. Barda for Kemans. Shop now. Sale sa 6-6. June 6 sale ng Kemans. And pang-model sila Barbie at David.
It's 6-6 mid-year sale. Check out your favorite He-Man's products. Shop now.
Ayan ang model ng Kemans Barbie. Yan ang bagong product nila, iGel. Si David naman ay nasa GMA office. Ayan, solid Barda kasama ni David. Si Miss Joy, Miss Jan, Miss Diane, saka Miss Isabel. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nick Shore Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.